Hi, I'm Kyla. I'm a Kawaii lifestyle blogger and content creator. Today, we just had our workshop about Kawaii journaling at Cafe Stay Happy here in Shimo, Kitazawa, Tokyo. Kawaii journaling connected me to a lot of people that I would not even imagine to meet in real life. I'm originally from Manila, Philippines. I moved to Japan 6 years ago because it was my childhood dream when I was around 10 or 11. I grew up watching anime series on television. Very cute. You can also print your pictures here. So if you love DIY, this is the place where to get all your materials. The meaning of Kawaii really transformed over the years. When I was younger, it was just Cardcaptor Sakura or mainly just Hello Kitty. But now it's more about being myself, and it's like the inner confidence that I have inside. I'm Kyla. This is Girl City. Don't forget to like and share.